Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. Today I have an Amazon Fidgets haul, starting with this reversible octopus. And it's super cute with a little smile, and it's sparkly and purple. And then when you turn it inside out, it has a little sad face, and it has polka dots. It's super cute. Next, I got this Among Us red character, and he's reversible as well. And when you turn him inside out, he's kind of like an angry Among Us. Super cute. Next, I got a Poppets in a unicorn shape, and I'm going to let you know what it sounds like. Only one side pops. And next, I got a Rainbow Among Us Poppet. And I got a blue and white tie-dye baby Yoda Poppet. So I hope you liked my Fidgets haul. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.